Hey, this is Chintua from Westbury. This has been an incredible journey so far. Hard to believe that we've only been on this journey 50 days exact. Today is 50 days exactly since we started the Body by Vi 90-day challenge. For me personally, it's been a transformation. It's been an experience. And the 90 days are not even close. 50 days, we still have 40 days to go. The transformation, like I said, has been incredible. And I pinch myself sometimes, when I look from where I started till today. I started at 180 pounds. 180 pounds at 5'4". When I looked in the mirror, I did not like what I saw. It's kind of bad when you look down, you can barely see your feet. That's kind of shameful, especially for my background, being a former Marine. And so that was one of the reasons that we took on the challenge. So this morning is going to be our challenge showdown video number 5. Okay, I'm just going to do a little thing here on my Total Gym. You don't really require specialized equipment, like I said in the last video. So all you really need is, a little bit of determination and something, a little bit of determination, persistence, and just motivation. You gotta motivate yourself, because sometimes it's tough to get up in the morning, early, to walk, to run, or do the exercises, that you need to do, on top of using the Vi-Shape Shake. So here we go. I'm going to do a few, exercises on my Total Gym. The Total Gym was sitting here for a while, not being used. So, might as well use it. I got it. Follow me. Well, very simple. There's so many different things you can do here. Okay, this is great for chest. Okay. You don't need dumbbells or barbells or heavy-duty gym equipment. This is really all you need. Okay? This is fun. So, I'll be quiet for a little bit here and just watch. I'll let you watch to see how it goes. Alright. Alright, that's it for chest exercise. Alright, we're going to switch over to working a little bit on my triceps. So I'm going to lay down here. You can switch over from that into flies. So there you have it. It's very short, very simple, and the challenge continues. Still having fun with it. 40 more days to go. I can't wait to see the total, complete 90-day transformation. So I'll keep you posted. You'll be having the experience with me. Until then, I challenge you to challenge yourself to take on the Body by Vi 90-day challenge. See you next time. Ah.